Well, hi. I just did the previous video about what I would do if I caught my man with another bitch. But I really want to talk about how white women are trying to imitate the black woman. Let me tell you something. Black women, we are gods. We come from a rich culture, a rich tradition where we exemplify excellence. Like women like Felicia Rashad, Maya Angelou, Angela Bassett, Gabrielle Union, women like myself who is a legal student, graduated from DePaul, went to Harvard, currently going to Yale, studying the smart banking system. You see, it's a twist in everything and how the media portrays black women as if we're ratchet, and then when white women try to imitate us, it's glorified. It takes a lot to be a black woman, and I could be quite honest with you. I know that you're with black men for sex. You probably feel like they have bigger dicks in the world and everything, and you just want to enjoy yourself. But let me tell you something, sweetie. It takes a lot to be with a black man. For one, you have to go through history. You have to be considerate of the fact that he has a label on his back. And black women too, we also have labels where we are misunderstood and we're defined as ghetto or hood rats, ratchet, government assistance type of women, women who have children out of wedlock, women who put their baby daddies on child support. That's not us. So what I want the world to understand is if a lot of black men go to these white women, what is going to happen is our race is going to decline to the point of no return, and we will soon be dogs, peasants, like those white people who conquered us in the early 1800s. I just want the world to know that black women are coming, because I'm about to have this big formation for black women to let the world know that we're coming, we're going to reclaim our men, reclaim our land, reclaim our home, and reclaim our peace.
What's the best advice you can give to young black women?
I really want young black women to study the year 1804 so we can get our confidence back. And what I would tell to young black women is to never give up on yourself. Never let the media define you as a black woman. Always remain hopeful. Keep yourself full, meaning to please yourself first before you please others. And always know that there are common faces who have made it, that've been through the same struggle. It's hard work, you know, no government assistance. See, I have degrees from Harvard. I got certificates from Yale. I've networked with the best of them, so when I speak, it's the honest truth. And when Lanester Inc. launches, it's going to be a great experience for the world to know that I am proclaimed in Chicago, but I'm defined nationwide and internationally. So I just want to thank you for your time. Thank you for listening. As you can see, I'm very frustrated, but once Lanester Inc. comes out, you're going to understand exactly what's the formula behind this mastermind. It's all about getting up, working hard, and just doing your job.
Yes, sir. Just pass the ball. I want to say, all you got to do.
Let me know.